Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 6 for the subject of Geography, Chapter 1, Globes and Maps, starting on page number 9 of your textbook, titled Madhuban ICSE Geography 6, and is being submitted to you on 5th April 2021. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. We know that it is impossible to see the entire Earth at the same time. This is due to the big size and the spherical shape of the Earth. Therefore, a model of the Earth can help us to view the entire Earth. A small human-made model of the Earth is called as a globe. A globe is a simple and accurate way of representing the Earth. It is the three-dimensional representation of the Earth. To represent three-dimensional features as mountain, valleys, and other geographical phenomena, special techniques are used. This art and science of mapping is called as cartography. The word cartography has been derived from two French words, carte and graphie, meaning map and drawing respectively. So the maps on the globe show the correct size, shape, and the location of the places in relation to each other. It became easy to understand the imaginary lines of latitudes and longitudes on the globe. However, a globe has the following limitations. Number one, it is difficult to carry a globe. Number two, the space on the globe is limited and details cannot be shown on it. Number three, a globe cannot be made for a part of the Earth. Number four, details of geographic features cannot be shown properly. Number five, it is not only difficult to make a big size globe, but also difficult to handle it. We need something simple and easy to learn about the Earth on which we live. Thus, we need maps drawn on a flat surface. A map is the representation of the Earth as a whole or a part of it drawn to a scale on a flat surface. Although less accurate than a globe, a map is more useful. The word map has been derived from the Latin word mappa or mappo, meaning napkin or cloth. Mercator and Hont were the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. This book of maps came to be known as an atlas. Let us take a short break. You are requested to kindly pause your audio for 3 to 4 minutes after listening carefully to the questions and write the answers in your notebooks. Question number 1. What is a globe? Question number 2. What is cartography. Question number 3. List one disadvantage of a globe. We will now discuss the answers. Number 1. Globe is a small, human-made model of the Earth. It is the three-dimensional representation of the Earth. Number 2. The art and science of mapping is called cartography. Number 3. A globe cannot be made for a part of the Earth. Let us resume our lecture and study about the types of maps. Different types of maps are used by different people according to their needs. Physical or relief map. It shows the relief features present on the Earth's surface, like the mountains, hills, peaks, valleys, rivers, etc. These maps help us to find suitable sites for human settlement, for building roads and railways, for construction of dams, etc. Political maps show the boundaries between different countries and the boundaries of the different political units within a country. These maps are used as base maps for showing various cultural, historical, and economic activities. Thematic maps show specific type of information such as roads, railways, air routes, distribution of population, condition of climatic elements, industrial centers, etc. The title of the map is given according to the information given on the map. Topographical maps contain detailed information about the physical features like the local landforms, water bodies, man-made features like roads, etc. Students, we will continue with this chapter next week. Please give a reading to page number 9, 10, and 11 of your textbook. Home assignment. Write the glossary given on page number 18 in your notebook. With this, we end this interactive session. Thank you.